Maybe it's a little clunky, but Meteor's like, I don't know. The DPS is insane on it though. This is level 27 Meteor, that's it, so it's not like it's high or anything. These are hell cows. That's nice shit right there, if you ask me. It's not that clunky. I mean, I've seen things that are way clunkier than this. Yeah, so you also get a portion of physical damage. It's actually 8,000 on high end on fire damage, and it's 1,800 physical damage. No, I didn't glug anything. So Spirit's more worth making in Season 2 because it has the negative requirements mostly. But I wouldn't say it's not always the best move. It's not always the best move. See, Rock Fleece. Rock Fleece can still, in many ways, outstrip this armor. But because you can get res on these as well,